again a pleasant afternoon, everyone. My name is Ezra, and together with me in charge of the cabin is Pat. We would like to welcome you aboard CebGo flight DG6895, bound for Surigao. Only guests for this flight should be on board. Again, kindly check your boarding passes. We're all bound for Surigao. Now ready to depart for Surigao. In command of this aircraft is Captain Michael Munoz, ably assisted by First Officer Kalpit Saravagi. Our flying time will be approximately 1 hour and 10 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seat belt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seat belt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vest from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. The cabin is pressurized. Should there be a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks are available on selected panels with an indicator. When this happens, insert a sharp object into the pinhole. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, put it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. Cabin crew shall assist in the administration of oxygen after a decompression. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. In any eventuality, guests must leave their bags and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the equipment itself. We are about to take off. Straighten up your seats, fasten seatbelts securely, keep window shades open, and tray tables stowed. This is a non-smoking flight. Use of vape, e-cigarette, and all smoking or vapor inhaling and emitting devices is prohibited by Philippine Civil Aviation regulations. Please stop using your gadget if the battery becomes excessively warm. This refers to all gadgets powered by lithium battery or charger.
cabin crew to your takeoff stations.
Switch on the fasten seatbelt sign. In preparation for landing, kindly fasten your seatbelts, open your windows, and stow your tables. Thank you. landed at Surigao Airport. CebGo welcomes you to Surigao. Time check for your convenience. It is now 56 minutes past the hour of 1 in the afternoon. Once again, on behalf of our flight deck crew headed by Captain Michael Munoz, ably assisted by First Officer Kalpit Sarabagi. Together with the in-flight cabin team on this flight, we have Pat. This has been Ezra. Thank you for making CebGo the airline of your choice. Good afternoon.